Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Roku TV. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section right over here, that is the URL section, type down Roku TV and enter it after it's done. And over here, from the search results, you have to pick the first one, that's RokuTV.com, which is the official website of the Roku. Click over here, and here we could see we just landed to the Roku TV official homepage, and in the top right corner over here, that is sign in option. Click on here, and you're required with your email as well as your password. Type down your email and your password as well. And if you have forgotten your password, then you can click over here that says forgotten your password in order to reset or recover. If you want to remember the sign in next time you log in over here, then you can select this option. But if you do not prefer that, click back again. And after this, click on this option that says sign in, and then you'll be successfully logged in to your Roku account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.